EduCuties TV!
Hello, little explorers! Welcome to the amazing underwater world. Today we're going to learn about 25 amazing sea animals. Are you ready? Let's dive in! Number 1. Look! It's a playful dolphin! Dolphins love to jump and play. Can you say dolphin? Number 2. Whoa! This animal has 8 arms. It's an octopus. Can you say octopus? Number 3. Here comes a shark. Sharks have big teeth, but not all of them are scary. Can you say shark? Number 4. Wow! A slow and steady sea turtle is gliding by. Can you say sea turtle? Number 5. Look! A small colorful clownfish. Can you say clownfish? Number 6. Snap, snap! Here's a crab. Can you say crab? Number 7. Whoa! A huge whale. Can you say whale? Number 8. This is a tiny shrimp. Can you say shrimp? Number 9. Look! A squid. Can you say squid? Number 10. Whoa! A lobster. Can you say a lobster? Number 11. This is a hermit crab. It carries its home on its back. Can you say hermit crab? Number 12. Look! A playful seal. Can you say seal? Number 13. This is a tuna. It swims super fast. Can you say tuna? Number 14. Here comes a cuttlefish. A color-changing cuttlefish. Can you say cuttlefish? Number 15. A round pufferfish. It can puff up big. Can you say pufferfish? Number 16. A horseshoe crab. It looks like a helmet. Can you say horseshoe crab? Number 17. A leafy sea dragon. It looks like seaweed. Can you say sea dragon? Number 18. A colorful mantis shrimp. It punches super fast. Can you say mantis shrimp? Number 19. A floating jellyfish. Be careful, it can sting. Can you say jellyfish? 20. Oh, a big walrus with tusks. Can you say walrus? Number 21. Here comes a starfish. A starfish with 5 arms. Can you say starfish? Number 22. Look, a stingray. It glides like a kite. Can you say stingray? Number 23. Look, a sneaky moray eel hiding in rocks. Can you say moray eel? Number 24. This is a sea anemone. It has soft waving arms to catch food. Can you say anemone? Number 25. This is a sea otter. It loves to float and play. Can you say sea otter? Now we have learned 25 amazing sea animals. Great job! Keep exploring the ocean and see you next time. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.